Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you mathematics of standard 4. Today let us start explanation of question answer of chapter number 4. Tick tick tick. Important points: clock show time. It has two hands. Clock is there, then tick 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 voice is there. And it has two hands. One is hour hand and second is minute hand. Bigger hand is called minute hand and smaller hand is called hour hand. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 12 o'clock noon plus 12 o'clock midnight is equal to 24 hours. Define day. A time from one sunrise to next sunrise is called a day. In a year there are 365 days, but in a leap year there are 366 days. In a leap year, February has a 29 days. Leap year comes after every 4 years. So this way all important point take. Now name of the month and days of the month. January has a 31 days, February 28, and in leap year 29 days. March 31 days, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, and December 31 days. Now name of days. There are 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. 24 hours clock are used at railway station, bus station, airport, etc. And if there is a practice time, page number 36 to 39. 3 friends read time from a clock. Who is right? Chiku, Bittu, and Pinky. Here, smaller hand is on 3 and bigger hand on 12. So we know that smaller hand show the hour and bigger hand show the minute. So full round make and it's come 3 and 12. So it is a 3 o'clock. But Chiku said 12 and 3. It is wrong. Bittu said 12 and 15. It is also wrong. Pinky said 3 o'clock. It is right. Now in second clock, it is given that hour hand between 5 and 6 and minute hand on 7. Then 7:25? No. 5 and 7? No. 5:35 because 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. 35 minutes and 5 hours because our hand is between 5 and 6. Now third clock, there is given hour hand is on 7 and minute hand is on 3. It means 5, 10 and 15. And here it is 7. Means 7, 15 is there. But Chiku said 3:35. It is wrong. Bittu said 7 and 3 o'clock. 7 hour and 33 minutes. It is wrong. And Pinky said 7:15. So Pinky is right. This is our right answer. Now question number 2. Show the following times in the clock. First is there 3 hours 10 minutes. So first of all we draw hour hand on 3 and minute hand on 2 because 5 and 5 10 means 2. 1 hour hand on 3 and minute hand on 2. Now 6:40. We have to write the hour hand between 6 and 7 and minute hand on 8. It is 6:40. Afterward 4:45. Our hand we have to write between 3 and 4 and minute hand we have to write on 9. Now 2:20. Our hand we have to write on 2 and minute hand we have to write on 4 because 5, 10, 15 and 20. Now 3:15. both the hand, smaller hand and bigger hand, our hand and minute hand, both the hand we have to keep on 3, so it's become 3:15. Now 7:35. Our hand and minute hand, both the hands we have to keep on 7, so it's 7:35. Now question number 3. Do you like sky watching? If yes, then this one should interest you. At what time does the sun rise at your place? Answer: the sun rises at 6:30 in the morning. When does the sun set? The sun set at 6:35 in the evening. Does the sun rise and set at the same times every day? No, the sun does not rise and set at the same time every day. Question number 5. Find out. How long will it take the minute hand to move from? Here in first clock, it is given that our hand is in between 3 and 4 and minute hand is on 7. Now minute hand move from 7 to 10. Means 5, 10 and 15. How many minutes are there? 15. 5, 10, 15. So we have to write here 15. Minute hand move from 7 to 10. Therefore it moves 10 minus 7. 5 multiplied by 3. 3 5s are 15 minutes. Now in second, minute hand is given on between 3 and 4. Our hand is given between 3 and 4 and minute hand is given in 8. Now this minute hand moves from 8 to 12. So 9, 10, 11 and 12. 5, 10, 15 and 20. So we have to write here 20 minutes. Minute hand moves from 8 to 12. Therefore it moves 12 minus 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to 12 minus 8 means 4. 4 multiplied by 5. 4 5s are 20. So 20 minutes. Now in third clock, minute hand is given in 1 and hour hand is given in 6. Now minute hand move from 1 to 3. So here from 1, 2 and 3 means 10 minutes. 5 and 10. So we have to write minute hand moves from 1 to 3. Therefore it moves 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 5 is equal to 10 minutes. Now next clock, hour hand is given on 7 and minute hand is given on 2. Now minute hand move from 2 to 9 means 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 5s are 35. So 35 minutes more. Minute hand moves from 2 to 9. Therefore it moves 9 minus 2 multiplied by 5. 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 35 minutes. Now draw where the hands will be. Now here it is given time 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. It means we have to write our hand on 6 and minute hand on 4 because 5, 10, 15 and 20. So we have to draw this way. Now 30 minutes after 8 o'clock. So our hand we have to write here 8 and minute hand we have to write on 6. 6 means 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So 8:30 is there. Now 10 minutes after 7 o'clock. Our hand we have to write on 7 and minute hand we have to write on 2. 5 and 10. 15 minutes after 5 o'clock. Our hand we have to draw here on 5 and minute hand we have to draw at 3 because 5, 10 and 15. So 5:15 is there. Now question number 7. How long does your school assembly take? It is 15 minutes. How long is your lunch break? 30 minutes. How long is your game period? 30 minutes. It is the same as well the other period? Yes, all the periods are of the same time. Now, activity time. Page number 40 to 41. How many minutes can these activities take? Boiling 1 liter milk about 5 minutes. Filling a bucket about 2 minutes. Sweeping your room about 5 minutes. Now question number 2. In 1 minute, how many times can you snap your finger? 60 times. Skip a rope 30 times. Jump up and down in 1 minute 40 times. Blinking of eyes. When we blink our eyes in 1 minute 80 to 90 times. Here is the another challenge for you. How long can you speak non-stop for 1 minute? Stand on one leg for 2 minutes. Sing ah without a break for 1 minute. How long do you take to run 50-minute race? 50-meter race. Run a 50-meter race. We take 2 minutes. Collect 50 people from the ground. 2 minutes. Count 1 to 100. 2 minutes. Now, next question. Let us look at the clock again. Solve this one. The minute hand started from 2. How many minutes will it take to come back to 2? Means start from 2 and again come to 2 means full one round is there. And we know that in every number there is a 5 minutes is there. So when one round is over, then 12 into 5 multiplied by 60 minutes is there. We know that the distance between two successive numbers is divided into divisions in a clock. 5 divisions in a clock. The minute hand starting from 2 coming back to 2 again is covered 5 into 12 is equal to 60 minutes. What happened to the hour hand? Does it move? Also move? How long will it take to move from one number to the next? The hour hand also moves. The hour hand moves from one number to the next number in 60 minutes. Means 1 hour. Look around you and list the activities that may take about 1 hour to complete. List some of the activities that may take about 1 hour to complete is as under. To draw and color the picture. To make breakfast. To complete the lesson in mathematics. To clean the house. And to play with the friends and return home. How long does it take to cook dinner at home? More than an hour or less than an hour? It takes more than an hour to cook dinner at my home. Ask your father if he can cook as fast as your mother does. Yes or no? No. My father cannot cook as fast as my mother does. Question number 7. Which game take less than an hour to finish? Games take less than an hour to finish are badminton, table tennis, lawn tennis and basketball, etc. How long does a football match take? A football match take 80 minutes including 10 minutes of interval is equal to 90 minutes. Now, Rani's diary, page number 42 to 44. Here are some pages from Rani's diary in which she noted about her baby sister, Munni. Answer the questions on the basis of it. 5th March 2005, Munni is born today. 15 September 2005, Munni got her first tooth. 10 November 2005, Munni sat up. 20 November 2005, Munni started crawling. 5 January 2006, Munni stood up. 5 September 2006, Munni ate a banana. 2 February 2006, Munni started walking. In some textbook name, in place of Munni, there is a Munia is given. In some textbook, in place of Munni, there is a Munia name is given. Mark this in the correct on Munni's timeline. See, here it is given. 5 March 2005, Munni was born. 15 September 2005, her got her first tooth. Afterward, here March is there. April, May, June, July and August. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 months are there. Afterward, in 10 month nothing is there, and in 11 month 10/11/2005 set up, and after 10 days 20/11/2005 started crawling. Afterward, in 12 month nothing is there. In January 5/1/2006 stood up, and in February 2/2/2006 started walking. Afterward, February, March, April, May, June, July, August and in September ate a banana. It means this is the timeline is given for the Munni. Now, Munni got her first tooth in September. How many months old was she then? How many months have passed from March to September? Munni was 6 months old when she got her first tooth. 6 months have passed from March to September. March, April, May, June, July, August and September. 6 months are there. How old was Munni when she first set up? Munni set up when she was 8 months old. March to November, 8 months. She got her first tooth. Munni got her first tooth when she was 6 months old. What did she do first? Walking or eating banana? She walking fast. Crawling or standing? She started crawling first. Now make a timeline of this dog's means puppy's life in your notebook. First of all, here 0 was born. Afterward, first week, second week, third week and fourth week. In third week, she got her first teeth. Puppy got her first teeth in third week and started going in fourth week. Afterward, 1 month is there, and second month started walking around but still wobbling. Third month, 4th month, 5th month, 6th month. In 7th month had a full set of teeth. 8 month, 9 month, 10 month, 11 month and 1 year. When 1 year is there, grown up a dog and got its own puppies. Now, question number 6. Note the difference between Munni and Rani's puppy. Munni's age and puppy's age. Started walking. Munni started walking after 11 months of her birth. Puppy started walking after 4 weeks of his birth. Ate food for the first time. Munni after 6 months of her. After 1 year and 6 months of her birth. After 3 weeks of its birth. Got the first tooth after 6 months of her birth. After 3 weeks of its birth. Find out. Do all the animals grow at the same speed? No, all the animals do not grow at the same speed. Find out about the growth of a hen, a cow, a bird. They grow in this order. First bird, a hen and then a cow. Here are the picture of a grandfather posing for a photograph who looked the oldest to you. Rani's grandfather looks the oldest to me. How much older is Appu's grandmother than Rani's grandfather? Appu's grandfather is older than Rani's grandfather by 95 minus 70 is equal to 25 years. How much younger is a Chuchu rat's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? Chuchu rat's grandfather is younger than Rani's grandfather by 68 years. 70 minus 2. So this way we completed up to page number 44. Thank you very much.